I never feel centered in the frame. Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. So today I'm going to be doing another makeup look for you guys, and this one is inspired by another YouTuber that I follow. Her name is Tasha Simson. She does a lot of YouTube videos. I love watching all of her videos. She's very creative with her eye looks. So she did a video about a month ago, and it's called Colorful Makeup Tutorial. I don't have the editing software, or at least I don't think I do. I'm not good at editing, but if I can, I would add like a little picture somewhere in the screen, but I don't know how to do that. So I'll just show you right off my phone. This is her channel page, and that is her video if my phone decides to focus. Right there. And I really like that look that she did because it was very colorful and she's using my favorite colors on it, so I wanted to give it a shot, so I'm gonna try it out myself. Obviously I want to shout her out because she inspired my video, so shout out to Tasha Simpson. I'm gonna try your look out. So the palette that she used was an Anastasia Beverly Hills one. I forgot exactly which one it was, but I don't have that palette, so I'm gonna be using my Morphe palette. This is the Morphe 35U palette, and also my Laura Lee Party Animal palette to replicate the colors that she used. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started and give it my best shot. Just gonna apply some primer. And I'm just going to be doing this as a talk through tutorial. I've made up my mind that I'm not going to do any voiceover videos anymore. I mean, maybe I will here and there, but for the most part, I'm not going to be doing that anymore because I realized I have a really boring voiceover voice. I don't know what it is, but every single time I'm recording my voice, whenever I play it back, I'm like, what's wrong with you, Kelsey? Like, I sound like I'm dying on the inside. I just can't sound interesting as I'm doing my voiceover. So I'm just gonna be talking to you guys. I just feel like it's more like I'm having a conversation, I guess. So it's just easier for me. So anyways, I'm just gonna do it not exactly as she did it, but the best way that I can, just because I watched this a while ago. I'm gonna go into my Morphe palette and use this bright purple right there because she used purple first. And she did it all over her lid and under her brow bone pretty much. Oh, sorry guys, you're so far away. Come closer. There we go. I think this is how she did it. Okay, so she went all the way out to the corner, like a little more past the corner. So I'm gonna do that also. So I feel like my memory is failing me a little bit, so I just pulled up her video here on my phone, so I'm actually gonna watch it as I'm doing it, just to make sure it's a little bit more accurate. So next she goes in with a really bright pink, right like just above her crease. I was gonna use the pink that's in the Laura Lee palette, but I realized that the pink in my Morphe palette is closer to what Tasha used, so I'm using this pink right over here. I think I went a little too high with my purple because I don't have enough room for all the pink. This is just gonna be my own rendition of this look, basically. I mean, I could never copy anything exactly as I see in the picture anyway. But this is already looking a lot worse than hers. I'm doing my best. I'm doing what I can. Alright, so I'm going over it with a Laura Lee pink because it's brighter. Because I'm getting jealous of how much brighter Tasha's pink is than mine, so I'm trying to fix it. The only thing is the Laura Lee one is a sparkly pink and hers is matte. So it's going to have a different effect, but it's something. I'm watching her video and she already looks beautiful. I look like a clown. Okay guys, so next she's doing a cut crease. I'm not really good at cut creases, but I do try them from time to time, and they tend to be okay. So yeah, cut crease time. So next she's taking a color, it looks like yellow to me, but she said it's green, so it's like one of those yellow green colors. So I'm going to use this one on the Lauralee palette, that one right there, and she's just putting it on her lid. I think she's putting it everywhere. Yeah, so she's putting it on the whole lid. This always happens when I do a cut crease. Can you guys see how the concealer got like up in my crease a little bit? That always happens to me. I need to find a different concealer to use. If you guys have any suggestions for doing cut creases for the concealer for that, let me know what you use, because both of the ones that I try always smear like that, and then I have to go back and cover it. Something wrong because I look like a clown. So now she's taking a bright blue color, so I am going to use this bright blue. This is Karaoke from this palette, and this blue is the whole reason I even got this palette out. And she's applying that blue right to her outer corner, so I'm gonna apply that blue right to my outer corner. So now she's taking the purple and she's going underneath her eye under here. And I feel like I am butchering this look completely. Okay, so this is basically all that she did with her eyes. It looks so much better than her on her. I tried to freeze the video so I could find a spot to show you guys what this is supposed to look like. So that's her. Looks like actual good looking makeup. And then here's me, where it looks like a birthday cake exploded. So this is all that she did with her eyes. So now she's just going in and like doing the rest of her face makeup. So I'm just gonna do that my way, but I'm just gonna try and fix this up a little bit at first and see if I can make this look a little bit more decent, just so it fits my face a little bit better, and then I'll do all of that. I almost completely forgot to do eyeliner. So I really like what she did with her lips in the video. It's like an ombre lip that she did. So she used a really dark lip liner, and then it was like a matte brown lip liner, and then she used a very light gloss in the middle. So I'm going to use my Morphe lip liner in the color Trendsetter, and then the gloss I'm going to use is from Bare Minerals. The color is called Rule Breaker, and it's their Marvelous Moxie lip glosses. Okay guys, so this is how it came out. This is my end result. I think this is the first time that I've ever imitated a YouTube video, and I think I did okay. Obviously hers looks better, but that's okay, right? In her video, she also added lashes also. I would have done it if it was earlier, but it's actually almost midnight right now, so I just did this look just for the video, and then I'm about to go and wipe it all off and take a shower and go to bed. So I didn't want to put on lashes just for a few seconds because that would have been a bit of a waste. So I just tried to go heavy on the mascara instead, but it's okay. But anyways, I actually really like how this looks on me now that I fixed it up a little bit because I was struggling at first. But please make sure that you go ahead and check out her video because her video is the inspiration for my video. I'll list all the makeup that I use in my description, and also the link to the exact video that I'm copying in my description. So Tasha, if you happen to come across this video, I hope you are somewhat impressed by me following your look. I hope I did okay. I hope I did it justice. Let me know what you think. I would love to hear back from you. As a matter of fact, anybody, let me know what you think. Be honest, and please check out her video. It's about a month old, but like I said, I'm gonna link it in my my description. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and also leave a comment below. Oh, dropping everything already. It's late. It's time for me to go to bed. Alright guys, thanks again for watching, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye!